We're the Huston sisters.
Welcome to our new viewers and our repeating viewers and subscribers. Welcome to Cooking with the Huston Sisters. So today I am doing a video on my famous spicy fried chicken. It's something everyone loves. I've already washed and cleaned my chicken. I've also soaked it as well. So it's good and ready for some good old seasoning. I'm just poking these holes in it to get it ready for the good seasonings that are going to set in there and marinate. And you're going to continue to see me just adding seasonings to this chicken, and then I'm also going to marinate it once I get done. You can find this full recipe on our website at HustonSisters.com. I'll leave that in the bottom corner, and I'll also put a link in our description. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you continue to watch. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe, and make sure you ring that bell. I'll see you towards the end. Yep, I sure did. I'm keeping it raw and uncut. I am using a grocery bag. It is a clean one that did not have anything in it to use for my flour mixture to mix in the chicken. And once we pop it in that hot oil, it's going to burn any germs that were on the bag. can y'all see what I see? Look at this crunch on this chicken and look at that beautiful color. The crunchy part is my favorite part of chicken. It has to be crunchy in order for it to be some good fried chicken, y'all. So I'm just laying it on this towel and just letting that rest of that grease drain and absorb within the towel, and I will come back Alright y'all, here's the finished product. Doesn't this chicken look yummy? It tasted so good. You guys have to try this. And don't you see that mac and cheese over there as my side? I have a recipe for that too. So make sure you all head over to thehustonsisters.com and we will see you all next time. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe. Peace.